we're at 9. We should go farther port. No, wait. It's okay. Wait. This is what we missed yesterday. We got that one. And then we got to go way over here. I think it's number 5. I don't know. Hard to read. Yeah, number 5. 6 to 5. But instead, we went to that one. So we were just a little bit in between there. But I think they moved that one over. Because I think that's where, oh no, I guess people are getting stuck over this. Well, Randy got stuck over here. Because we didn't get stuck. Yeah, that's the one we all skipped. I didn't see it. I was the one that pointed it out, where to go. It's my fault. Okay, so you're gonna turn now, right? You better turn.
Right.
Yeah. Made it.
You have to watch, make sure it doesn't get in
Lazy bags. You don't have to wind it around the winch?
Yeah, no.
I fiddled with the brake. Is it all the way off?
I hope so, yeah. Winch up, finally.
I like that little handle. It fits perfect in there.
How's it look?
Perfect.
All the way up?
Yep.
Okay, so mainsail has been raised from the cockpit.
Wow.
Now we will lower the sail. Ready to lower the mainsail?
Lower the sail.
Okay, let's see.
Oh, I should put that in slow motion.
That's it.
Wow. Okay.
Okay, we're going to deploy the Genoa.
Okay, I see the problem. Can you stop a minute?
Underneath the fender.
Oh, it's already up. Okay, are you going to the other side to bring it in? Okay, so you're rolling in the black line. Okay. Nice.
So if you look at the Genoa, it's wrapped a little tighter and the sheets are wrapped up here as opposed to before. We redid it, and the idea is to furl it in with a little bit of tension on the sheets so that it wraps relatively tightly.
So I held on to these in the cockpit while he did the
Furling line.
line.
So it's a little bit of muscle, but it's not bad at all.
Yeah.
And it only takes probably less than a minute.
Yeah.
So I'm a little bit surprised that it's not bigger than it is, but